Kublai shuboni phi ki parlok ki bijupai ikini ki channel na kapor shakapor. Akan eka video ng gidan banwan ra phi ya kini ki kam ki balai ya po jong ka Gramin healthcare. Kerteng jong ko post kedai Pharmacist. Kedai po East Khasi Hill District. Kerdan pulih dan kam kedai ban pendam ya ka D farm lane ka B farm kelas date kedai khatsan agas arajar ar pendreu. Tikino gino ki bekwa ban apply na kapenta gini ka post Pharmacist ngakarpad iphi pendapat ye gini ka video na do pasdang do bandokon kenang ba pentep ki egi kerdan pulih dan kam bat kam tam akabai dei bat kumno kerkom ban apply. Ka Gramin healthcare ka card application na kapenta gini ka post Pharmacist. Apo jong ka war is Khasi Hill District in Meghalaya. Ki kuwa anak benta ki candidate ki bedai ki lokal ki bedani kini ki kerdan pule ban la encourage ya phi ki bedani kini ki kerdan pule ban apply haswa jongka khatsan agas arajar ar pendreu kerteng jongka organization kedai Paridium Healthcare Private Limited Gramin Healthcare kerteng jongka post kedai Pharmacist total vacancies tangkawai ke job location lani ka posting kendai Hawarwar East Khasi Hills Meghalaya salary kalong negotiable based on experience and skill kin ai kat kom ka experience bat ka skill ke jongpi kerdan pule beran kam pide ben pendap ya ka D farm lani ka B farm bat pide ben register ya ladi hapo jong ka state pharmacy council registration ka working experience kedai ndeu benai adu sansnam Nadabi dan ya ka experience ka bahandru benai shaneng pila ban apply ya kene ka post. Candidate preference ki kam jet ya ki local candidates na po jong kene ka district. Tikiwe ru pila ban apply ya kene ka post. Class date kedai katsan agos arajar ar pendreu. Ka job role jong kene ka post lan ki job ka responsibilities Hila ban pen nang ni screenshot ya kene ka video ki skills ki bran kam strong knowledge of brand names generic salt and various medicine basic understand of common diseases and standard medical treatment proficiency in pharmaceutical inventory management and medicine dispensing computer skills including Excel build software and email communication proper record maintenance document and compliance management, strong interpersonal communication, and patient counseling capabilities. Jika rekomen apply kalong, ang ni kedai online pihaban pendam, ya kini ki dokumen ki jong pi bat sasan hau ni email jong kene ka office. Last date kedai katsan agas arajar ar pendreu. Tewneu de email jong kene ka office career@graminhealthcare.com. PE rohang ne kene ka application form. Kaban kong pihaban pendam ya kene ka application form. Din kata pihab roban sen ya ki dokumen ki jong pi hau no email jong kene ka office. Telada pidan ki cengkeli pila ban komen hapo comment section jong kene ka video. Kublai shubon.